Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install YAWL. So YAWL can be installed on all ordinary operating systems, Windows, Mac and Linux, and it comes with an installer. The only prerequisite that you need is a Java version. So let's just look at what is installed on our system here. So if you put up a command prompt and you say Java minus version, you can see here that I have installed OpenJDK 11, and as I said, it also works with Java 8. So once you have Java installed, you can now go to the YAWL website, and the YAWL website is under yawlfoundation.github.io. So open this site and press the download key. And then you have a number of files that you can download there. And the first one is the Windows installer. So I will click on that one and then wait until it downloads. So double click on that, and Windows protected your PC. And now you can see the logo coming up, and it asks us if we want to accept the license agreements. You have to accept that. And then gives us some directory where to put it, and then it's installing it, and it asks us to select a Java runtime. So I have only one installed here, so I'll select that. And then it unpacks the files. And we're finished. So, okay. Next step is to type YAWL here, and we get YAWL 4. And what you can see now is the YAWL control panel. And the YAWL control panel has a starting button for starting the YAWL engine. We will do that in a moment. And it also has something to check for updates. So we'll do that first. And we have some updates here, so we'll click that. It's verifying everything. And then it's starting the YAWL engine. And we allow access. Update completed successfully, and we can have a look at the log, and we can see that the YAWL engine has started. And so the next thing to check if everything works is to go on the YAWL logon page, and it opens up YAWL in the browser. And as you can see, YAWL is here on localhost port 8080. That's the Tomcat server that YAWL runs on. And we can log in here with the username admin, and password is YAWL, all capital letters, YAWL. And that's it. Now YAWL is installed successfully on our machine. Okay, we are done